www.consultantmindsets.com. Are you guys aware of self-evaluation? Have you ever evaluated yourself to find out where you will be in the future? Nobody knows the answer to this question and they cannot find it out instantly. So how can you evaluate your progress and productivity every day? There are some daily life positive activities which can be done to make the most of it today. We cannot predict the future and we cannot remain stuck to the past, so it is highly advised to live in the present. Instead of delaying your work to next year, next month, start prioritizing it and initiate from today. Change and personal growth are possible only when the initiative is taken from today, cause there is no tomorrow. In this video, we will tell you some ways to become most productive for the day. That way you will be able to accomplish many tasks in a day and the quality and quantity of the tasks will also be maintained. Before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Consultant Mindset. Set smart goals. Setting goals is a significantly important step in maintaining the productivity of the day. The SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant and time-bound. The goals you are aiming to achieve for the day should have the following mentioned characteristics. For instance, you cannot aim to achieve the 10 kilograms weight loss in 5 days because it is practically impossible and does not come under the boundaries of realistic things. If you aim to become a business tycoon in just 3 to 4 years, then it wouldn't be possible, since setting up an entire business is not an easy task. To achieve the goals, they should be specific enough and reasonable. Those goals which are not measurable and reasonable eventually make an individual lose his interest and dedication. Begin prioritizing your goals and prioritize the most important tasks that need to be done immediately. Break down your goals into smaller pieces. We are harsh on ourselves as we set higher aims and then want to achieve them instantly. Setting higher goals is not an issue, but achieving them in a small period is a tough task. The achievement of these tasks can be made possible by breaking them down into smaller pieces. The breakdown of tasks into smaller manageable pieces and then pursuing those steps with consistency and dedication increase the chances of achieving goals. Setting a time frame and frequency for your task increases the chances of achieving it. Setting a period here means deciding the period of initiating the task and then accomplishing it in that given time. Deciding the frequency of the tasks, like how frequently the task has to be carried out in the week. Evaluating the past. How was your past? Was it cheerful or horrible? Reflecting on your past actions helps you learn from your past mistakes. Evaluating all the important elements like your well-being, finances, relationships, passions like sports, work/business and many more. Reflecting upon your past behaviors and learning not to make the same mistakes in the future help you maintain personal growth. To direct your energy on one important goal, there is a dire need to analyze the areas which lack attention. Begin grading all these areas mentioned above of life, and after assigning them scores, begin analyzing which areas need the most attention to mend them. Save time to reflect on your past accomplishments. What happens when you realize you have some past accomplishments? It develops a sense of dedication and motivation which helps you remain stuck to your tasks. In the process of achieving your goals, there are times when you feel low and demotivated. The feeling of despair and disappointment makes you feel unworthy and useless. To keep up with the dedication, it is advised to always look back at your past and reward yourself for those achievements which made you confident enough to proceed further. Our society tends to put down us on little of our mistakes and overlook all our past achievements. At that moment, you have to stand tall, remain steadfast, and realize the truth that you are capable. We learn from failures and mistakes, which let us move forward with our better and upgraded version. Keeping a journal and writing down all your achievements will help you remain on the right track. Create multiple plans throughout the day. The achievement of a task requires its proper roadmap and planning, which provides a pathway to accomplish the task. An easier way to achieve the task is to make a plan before practically implementing it. This way, there will be fewer chances of mistakes and failures. Try making multiple short plans for the day. For instance, the morning section sums up all the relevant tasks related to that specific time of the day. Likewise, create a concise plan for the evening as well and add all those relevant tasks related to that time of the day in it. The chores like reading a book, having an evening tea, and things related to your interests can be added in that section. When you start to divide your daily activities into these short periods, the chances of self-growth increase tremendously. Our goals can only be reached through a vehicle of a plan, in which we must firmly believe, and upon which we must vigorously act. There is no other route to success. Pablo Picasso. In a nutshell, we cannot foresee the future, but we can change our present because it is in our hands. By employing the above-mentioned steps, you can make the most of today. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more amazing content.